So today I will be answering some questions of problem solving for my MCO. So by the way, I am, and this is MCO2 in discrete mathematics, and I am Ros- and I am Rosales. Rosales Nature Base IT 2. So we have here a given Venn diagram which is have set E, set P, and set C. So ito yung ating sagutin, which is the universal complement of A